In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a linear scale question form using Google Forms. If you've ever needed to gather specific insights and perceptions on a scale from your respondents, this is a great option that Google Forms provides. So let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly set this up. First, you'll want to start off by navigating to Google Drive. It's your central hub for all things Google related, and from here you have easy access to Google Forms. Once you're there, look at the top left corner and click on New. This is where you'll initiate the creation of your brand new form. After clicking New, you'll see an option for Google Forms. Go ahead and select that. What you're doing now is trying to create a blank form, which you can customize according to your needs. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to the Google Forms main page, where you can see a button labeled Blank Form. Click on that to open a new form wizard. Now that you have your blank form ready, it's time to give it a name. Think of a descriptive title that clearly tells your respondents what the form is about. This will not only help you stay organized, but also give your audience a clear understanding of the form's purpose. Right below the title, you have the option to add a description. Utilize this field to provide more context or instructions that might be necessary for completing the form. A detailed description can really enhance the overall clarity of your form. Once your form is titled and described, move on to adding your first question. For now, you can start with something simple, maybe a short answer question. At this stage, don't forget to toggle the required switch on. Making key questions mandatory ensures you get the information you need from all responses. Let's now transition into the main focus of this tutorial, adding a linear scale question. To do this, add another question and look for the linear scale option. Once you select this, you'll be prompted to set a range for your scale. This is the numeric scale which your respondents will use to rate their answer. It could be a 1 to 5 scale or 1 to 10, depending on how precise you want the feedback to be. It's crucial that each question you add is marked as required if it's essential to gather complete responses. Once you've added and configured your linear scale question and any additional questions, it's time to publish your form. Publishing makes your form accessible to your audience, so it's the final seal of completion. Lastly, always preview your form to ensure it appears as intended before sharing it with your audience. Reviewing it ensures that all elements are clear and function correctly, giving you peace of mind that your data collection will run smoothly. You're all set. Now you can start collecting those valuable insights efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy form creating.